here to bleed with no solace from a stranger or friend who hears my cry to revive and restore. One who has been here before, who's been in my shoes, been down this road before, who's been tested too, he's been through this door. He feels the pain and he heals the bruise. He's been in my shoes. He's been in my shoes. The union of God in a man is a mystery that I can't understand. But now with my suffering on, I'm reminded